Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the loudspeaker comparison test between the POCO F3 versus the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see friends, Realme X2 Pro and the POCO F3 has got launched recently, and I'm doing the plenty of comparison videos with the other smartphones as well. So make sure to comment below what are other comparisons you want me to do on this POCO F3 device, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel, as you can see here. So let's begin the loudspeaker test. So as usual, I'll be using this sound meter, and first let me start with showing the hardware differences between both the phones. Then I'll try to go with the software thing, and then I'll try to play the audio file in both phones at same time. So this is the way how I do it, all the loudspeaker comparisons. So let me try to show in the bottom loudspeaker. So both phones are having the two loudspeakers. So stereo speaker setup is present in both the phones, and there's a loudspeaker placement on this side of the phone, so which is very convenient. Even while playing games, you won't be able to block the audio. And even the same thing goes to the Realme X2 Pro as well. There's a loudspeaker on right side, as you can see here, and loudspeaker on the top side. You can see small holes are provided here where the volume will be coming from the outside, as you can see here. So in the Realme X2 Pro, the top earpiece also acts as the loudspeaker, which is a big grill you'll be getting here, as you can see, biggest grill. So starts from ear till ear. So this much too large, as you can see here friends. So let's see, now we are done with the hardware comparisons. So now it's time to move with the software differences what the both phones are packing in. So let me try to show you the sound effects here, and here the sound effects in this Realme X2 Pro, as you can see. So Realme X2 Pro has got one advantage, is that Dolby Atmos. So Dolby Atmos is there in this Realme X2 Pro device. That is a very good option for the audio lovers, and you also get the 3.5mm jack. There is no 3.5mm jack here. So for the Dolby Atmos, you'll get pretty good results. So if you ask me, will you notice or not, I would say maybe if you use the correct content, then only you might be able to notice the Dolby Atmos sound. But let's test this normal speaker. So let me try to use the smart mode. So both phones are set to the smart, so which will be automatically adjusted, as you can see here. So now let's begin the test by playing the same audio file in both the phones. So in case if you want to download this live wallpapers, what I'm using in both the phones, so make sure to check the links in description for that videos. So there's already a couple of videos which are already uploaded on the loudspeaker live wallpaper setups. So let's begin the test by comparing both phones by playing the same audio file, and I'm trying to place this sound meter bar exactly in between both the phones. So there should not be there should be kind of equal differences. So let me try to start playing the audio from the beginning in both the phones. And now let's begin the audio file from the POCO F3 device. So the average was around 89 and 90, so 98, 89 and 88 you can consider. So now let's begin in this Realme X2 Pro. Clearly you can see here friends, the score went up to 95 and 96 as well. So now let me try to start playing one by one, so you might be able to notice the difference. So make sure to listen to audio carefully. Now I'm playing in the POCO F3. Realme X2 Pro. POCO F3, Realme X2 Pro, So overall friends, one clear difference is that the audio from the Realme X2 Pro slightly better than the POCO F3 device. So that is what we came across this kind of numbers. The POCO F3 was going around 90, 91, 92, but Realme X2 Pro was going around 95, 96, 94. So there is a small difference between both the phones. That's not a huge difference, I would say. That's a very small difference. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. As I said, don't forget to check the links in description for the live wallpapers what I'm using. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.